I wanted to do a short video about the details of getting on the ferry in La Paz. Traveling in a foreign country is overwhelming enough without trying to decipher the signs in a different language. However, there aren't even signs at the La Paz port, so I hope this helps someone. Getting to the terminal in Pichilingue is simple enough. Give yourself a minimum of 25 minutes from La Paz. Once arriving, look for the entrance on the left. Once you enter the terminal, the lack of signs or directions might tempt you to park on the lot to the left as I did. Nope, take a hard right instead. Head towards the shaded area. Here you will have your passport and temporary import papers checked. Keep in mind that you are leaving the free area of Mexico, thus requiring a fee and a deposit. Google Mexico Temporary Import Permit Banjercito for more details. The forms can be prepared online. However, you must pay at the Banjercito office at the border. And I think this must be done at the border. I don't think there's one in La Paz. I dealt with mine in the consulate in Phoenix, so that's always an option. Next, you'll want to do something humorous to entertain the port workers.
Sorry.
What exactly to do, I can't tell you, but no doubt it's not a difficult task.
105 pesos per access. What's that?
105 pesos access to the port.
Oh.
Then pay a 105 peso port fee. If you try to give him 102 pesos, he will realize and ask for the correct amount.
What is that?
Media dos.
Es dos? Oh, let me see. Oh, let me see here. Here.
Okay.
Here.
Keep your receipt, as you will need to show it in the ticket office. Next, go to the ticket office. It is behind you and to the right. Park and go inside. Show them your Baja Ferry payment receipt and port fee receipt, and you'll get your ticket. I had made my actual purchase at the office in La Paz several days before.
Okay, so far, the first stop I had to make, they checked my my temporary import papers, and she actually checked the VIN on the bike, which was interesting. Second place I had to stop, I had to pay 105 pesos for import port fees. And they gave me a receipt, so I guess it's legit. And then the third thing, I went and gave my receipt over to the office there, and they gave me the ticket. So let's go get in line to get on the boat. Excuse me, ship. Ferry? I don't know.
Now you want to drive to the staging area and wait. It seems to me that motorcycles board sometimes near the end of the truck loading process as bikes ride along a narrow part of the truck area. After waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting some more, you'll be signaled when it's your turn. Park where they tell you to. The first thing you want to do is get your straps ready. Someone will be along to assist you with this part.
Well, okay, so we're all locked up here. Well, as good as we can be. That should be fine.
Then gather your stuff and make your way out of the garage. This is towards the rear of the ship, where you rode in, and to the left. At this point, they checked my ticket and kind of looked in my backpack. Once you walk up the stairs, you will see a reception area. Here you will be directed to your cabin or seat assignment. You'll find your seat. I wouldn't have slept much anyway, so I didn't feel the need to pay extra for a cabin. Eventually they will turn off the TVs. I think it's around 11. Exiting in Mazatlan wasn't a problem. Just follow the traffic to the port exit. No need to check any docks or pay any fees. Or if I was supposed to do that, my bad.